Hello again, man's a beard man. Right, I'm going to do a little video now on the Moustache wax. I've had a little tin. I've gone for the Rusky Love. Great smell, but it's pretty strong. It's like it's a really warm, spicy kind of cinnamon with I think rosemary, lavender. But it's really strong, so you don't actually need much at all. Even on the oil, you don't even need much because it's such a strong. It reminds me a little bit of like those Christmas scented candles, but in a good way. It's like what I've been doing is I've had this just sitting in a nice bit of warm water for a couple of minutes, just waiting for the wax, because it's a very tough wax. So instead of kind of getting it out with your fingers and rubbing it through your fingers for a while and then getting it in, I just leave it in the warm water for a couple of minutes. I take it out, and you can just grab a little bit. Hands are a little wet, not too wet, just a little wet. I grab a tiny bit on my forefinger. Don't even need that much, that's how much I've got. And then put it, so that's nice and soft, that's just ready to go. A little bit, run it through your fingers. And then you're good to go. You ain't got to sit there for ages, just working it. That's done. And what do? Get underneath, and then just kind of pinch the sash and then just run it through like that. Get all of it right through. Just a bit lifted up, because you're going to need to get it all the way through. Because the tash can be one of those things that gets in the way all the time. Eating, drinking, just every day getting in the way. It's one of those things that you either grow or you don't. I've been spending a bit of time growing the tash, trimming it in all the right places, but then letting it grow in other places. You've got to be quite patient with it. So that's about it. A little bit goes a long way. I've barely even used any of that. I've still got some left on my fingers. Just keep going through until you've got enough on. Oh, it smells nice. Really nice. Such a spicy flavour. And then once you've got it on, I'll just give it a little comb through. In case you've got any lumps in there, comb it through, and just shape it, style it however you want. What I'm going to go for. See, that's completely off my top lip now. That is off my top lip. So now if I'm eating or drinking, it's not even there. The hold, I had a good old play around with this the other day. Just keep going around, and as long as it's all on there, the hold, even though I only had a tiny bit, I have some water on my hands as well, the hold is really good. So I can just leave that. Get a good old twist on that and just keep going through, keep going around. Get it all. Some right good length on that, look at that. I want more. Try and grow this as long as I can, I think it looks great. Such an old school thing, having a moustache, having a decent moustache, having the patience to grow it out. Right. And then you can remold it as well as you wish throughout the day. So if you don't want to keep the curls, there you go. After that. I love that. And that cinnamon, now that's all over my top lip, all I can smell now is cinnamon. If you don't like cinnamon, this ain't the one for you. Luckily, I love cinnamon. Put it in my pancakes every Sunday. Love it. That. Keep going around. If you need to add more, then just add more. Just grab a little pinch, and then just keep going around. But I've still got some on my fingers from when I first got it out. Look at that. Nice curls on there. Splendid. That looks good. And that's going to hold. I done it the other day. I did it the Sunday. Just left it all day. It was there. Although my little boy kept flicking them. He wanted to play with them. That is the Rusky Love Stash Wax. Awesome. Spot on. Love it. And I love the little tin it comes in as well. A little slidey tin. Fit in your pocket, it's tiny. But that, I've already used this. I've used this about 6 times now, and that's all I've used. Tiny little bit. So I've got loads left in that, so that's going to go a long way. Spot on. Love it. Cheers.